I had an 8th grader who said to me, "My parents expect me to cross the demilitarized zone. We pull up in the 2 cars in the parking lot, and I'm supposed to get out of one car with my backpack and go to the other car, and I'm supposed to be happy crossing the demilitarized zone because my parents won't even look at each other." You're separating or divorcing because you have major issues with each other as intimate partners. Then how do you deal with your conflicts? Available systems say, well, if you can't agree, you can take it to the court. Family court is there to assist families and make decisions for them and try to get arrangements in place and get them to move forward. If you look at even how divorces are filed and how the cases are in court, is always mom versus dad or dad versus mom. So you got to make your case and they make their case, and ultimately a judge makes the decision what to do. But it's adversarial. So of course, one of the tasks from a mental health perspective, and one that the courts are also very sensitive to, is wanting to see if we can help families to get a cooperative environment for the children as early as possible and as continuously as possible.
Parenting Forward is a company that supplies parent coordination services. You are assigned by a court order from the judge, and you get a parent coordinator, and basically they become your mediator in the relationship. So communication, paperwork, trying to follow the parenting plan. There's often times that parents are unable to do that, because they're knocking heads and they're fighting too much amongst themselves. They've lost sight of what we're supposed to really be doing here, is raising happy, healthy children.
A parenting coordinator needs to have all the skills of a mental health professional who knows very well how to assist people, but a parenting coordinator also interacts a great deal with the family law system. So there is a need to learn how to basically straddle a mental health role and a role that has a court orientation, a family law aspect to it.
In order to be a parent coordinator, we'd like you to have a master's level education in either law, psychology, social work. We would like you to have experience working with families or children. We also need good, strong writing skills and your ability to communicate with all parties involved, from the children to the parents to the court system. You will be working with family attorneys, so being able to communicate what's going on in each case is really important. The biggest benefits is that we manage all of your administrative details. We handle all your paperwork, all your scheduling, all of your billing, any issues that come up around building your file, reports that need to be done, any of that is managed by Parenting Forward. In the training realm, we also have supervision that we offer to any of our parent coordinators under Parenting Forward. And we have Gail Zeman, who is an expert and has been in the field for many years. And so he's actually doing supervision. One of the other benefits for parent coordinators is that the pay is higher than what you would get as a therapist. We do bill as an attorney does with a retainer, and all of your work is billable hours. So whether you're doing telephone calls or you're doing video conferences, you're meeting in person, if you're having to testify in court, which is obviously a possibility in these situations, you're getting paid for all of that time.
You truly feel satisfied as you see that you're assisting the kids through helping the parents to do better.
If you are interested in becoming a parent coordinator or learning more about parent coordination services, please contact us at info@parentingforwardnm.com.